This is a 2013 BMW X5. It features a 4.4-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a Performance Package, xDrive, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, alloy wheels, roof rails, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: the M Sport Package, steering wheel memory settings, cruise control, a premium sound system, wood trim interior accents, BMW individual composition, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 33,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.